Hello, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to look at three verbs that are usually confusing and a lot of people would want to know how they are used correctly. And these verbs are lose, L-O-S-E, lose, L-O-O-S-E, and loosen, L-O-O-S-E-N. If you want to enjoy the full benefit of this video, please watch it to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to English Police to enjoy more of these videos subsequently. Now, let's look at them one by one. Alright, welcome. The first verb that we shall look at is the transitive verb lose, L-O-S-E. Now, the verb lose, L-O-S-E, has several meanings, but for the purpose of this video, the meaning that we shall stick to is this one. That is, to cause something to cease to be in one's possession. And that is the definition we are going to be dealing with. Now, let's look at some examples to buttress our definition. The first example is this: I don't want to lose my mother. Second example: I want to lose weight. Third example: children lose some of their teeth while growing up. So in all the examples that I have given you, you can see that there is this theme running through, that is losing something, L-O-S-I-N-G, losing something. And that is what lose is about: to cease to be in possession of something. That is all. Now, remember that the past tense and the past participle form of lose, L-O-S-E, is lost, L-O-S-T. For example, I lost my phone at Circle. Okay, so the second verb that we are going to look at is loose, L-O-O-S-E, which is also a transitive verb, which means to unfasten, to make loose, and to free. For example, why is the dog tied? Lose it. Another example, the bolt is too tight. Lose it. So here, the idea is to make something free, to unfasten it, to make it less tight. That is it. Remember, the past tense and the past participle form of lose, L-O-O-S-E, is loosed, L-O-O-S-E-D. For example, I loosed the bolt. Now, don't forget that loose, L-O-O-S-E, can sometimes be used as an adjective to mean something that is not fixed tightly, something that is not compact, something that is not under control, and something that is not under any moral obligation. For example, we can say this: the bolts in the wheels under the bus are loose. Another example: the dog is loose again. One last example: she is a loose woman. There is this verb that further deepens the confusion, and that verb is L-O-O-S-E-N, losing. Now, what's the meaning of losing? Losing simply means to lose, L-O-O-S-E. So, to loosen means to lose. To loosen, L-O-O-S-E-N, means to lose, L-O-O-S-E. For example, after eating a big bowl of fufu, I had to loosen my belt. Remember that the past tense and the past participle form of loosen, L-O-O-S-E-N, is loosened, L-O-O-S-E-N-E-D. For example, I loosened my belt after eating a big bowl of fufu. Alright, so as a recap, I am going to teach you one simple trick to using these verbs correctly. If you no longer possess something, then you should use lose, L-O-S-E, or its past form, lost, L-O-S-T. But if freedom is the objective, then you have to use lose, L-O-O-S-E. That is it. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of this lesson. I believe that whenever you come across these verbs, you'll be able to use them correctly. That is lose, L-O-S-E, loose, L-O-O-S-E, and losing, L-O-O-S-E-N. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, because a subscription to this channel helps me do a lot. Thank you.